Guess what? It's your last assignment of the year. It's your last math assignment of your middle school career. Very exciting. I wish it could be in person, but obviously it's not. And tomorrow, please check back for a video from me where I'm going to say goodbye and maybe have a little surprise for you. We'll see. So today is the last lesson. You're going to look at finding the area between two shapes. Okay. So I'm going to make one up off the spot here. I don't have an example per se, but you're going to get some different shapes: circles, rectangles, squares. I think most of you know that a square, to find the area of it, you would, all the sides are 3. You would do 3 squared, okay? So 3 squared, the area of this would be 9, okay? Rectangle, width of 3 and the length of 5. You just do length times width, 15. I know most of you know that. And then if you have a circle, you take your radius, which is half of your diameter, okay, and you just square it and then multiply by pi. So let's say it's 5. So you would do 5 squared and then times pi, which is 3.14, which is what they want you to use on Excel. So 5 squared would be 25. 25 times 3.14, I believe, is 78.5. So that would be the area for that. Okay. Now I'm just going to give you one example here. I'll do it with a square to kind of keep it really easy. So you're going to have a square, and then they're going to give you like a bigger square, and this might be all shaded in, and they're going to say, hey, find the area of just the shaded region. So they'll give you a length here. Maybe this is 6, and then they'll give you the length for the smaller square. Let's say that one's 3, okay? They're going to ask you to find just the area of the shaded part. So remember, a square has 4 equal sides, and you would just do 6 squared, which is 36, and then your little square is 3 squared, which is 9, okay? And to find that extra area, to find that blue part, yep, you guessed it, we would just subtract out the smaller square from the big one. So you do 36 minus 9, which in this case is 27, okay? I think if you're going to struggle anywhere today, it would be with circles. You might have something like this, and they might say, they're going to give you a little line up here and say that it's, 2 or 3 or whatever it is. Let's say it's 3 in this case, okay? That means that you have this huge circle here, this big green one, okay? That means that the radius of this is going to be 3 and 5 put together, right? Which is 8. So the radius of that big one would be 8. So you do 8 times 8, or 8 squared, and then times pi, and then you're going to subtract out the area of your smaller triangle here, okay? Because they're probably going to ask you to find like all this shaded area in here. So you're going to take your big circle, find the area. Remember, in this case, your radius would be this 5 plus this 3 more right here, which is 8. Okay, so you do that big one, and then you subtract out your small one from that. Okay, I think you guys are all pretty capable of that. If you have any questions, please let me know, and do not hesitate to ask. So your last lesson of Math 1, exciting, is going to be Level J, T.4. It's called the area between two shapes, and today, again, keeping it pretty light for you, just trying to get you some examples, not too many, not too little. You're going to go to score 65, please. Let's see if we can get everybody on board to do this and finish the year on a strong note. So please tune in tomorrow, as I'll have a little video for you, and then next week, your 8th grade teachers are going to have some celebration stuff for you. Thank you.